When you're doing the conjugate multiplication, you have to remember that real numbers get multiplied to real numbers, imaginary numbers are going to be multiplied for imaginary numbers. So FOIL is going to be the method that is probably going to be the easiest. So when we have to do a question like this, first we want to do 1 times -2, which is 1, or sorry, -2. Then we have to do the outsides, which is 1 times 3i, which is going to give us positive 3i. Then we have to do the insides, which is 3i and -2. And that would actually give us -6i. Last but not least, we are going to do the last two, which is 3i times a regular 3i, which actually gives us a 9i squared. Because I'm not using the equation editor, you'll just have to bear with me. 9i squared. Now, the thing that you need to know about the value of I is that if you have an I squared, it's really equal to -1. So you can actually make that substitution, -2 plus 3i minus 6. Actually, let's just combine the terms over here. 3i minus 6i is -3i. And instead of plus 9i squared, truthfully, you're doing plus 9 times -1. But you can see that's really just -2 minus 3i. 9 times -1 is really -9. So if it helps as a shortcut, you can just basically change the sign of whatever that number is. So if it says plus 9i squared, that is really the same thing as saying -9. So that's kind of a way to help you get there a little bit faster. Continuing to simplify, combining like terms, -2 and a -9 is a -11 minus 3i. And that is the answer that you would put in your synthetic division table.